Everyone is talking about how AI skill will make you rich in 2026, so I decided to test one for myself for 7 days, and here is actually what happened. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Favor, and on this channel I test online skills, so you don't have to waste your time or waste your money doing that. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a 7 days experiment of AI skills, the challenges, the results, and what really happened. So let's get into the video. Why this test matters: 1. Most videos overhype AI skills without showing proof. 2. Beginners chase trends without understanding how it works. 3. I wanted to see if a complete beginner can actually start this and in 7 days start making money. And number 4 is I chose faceless videos because it's something that my audience can actually relate to, and it's also monetizable. So here is a day-by-day experiment of what I did. Day 1 is setup. Started out clueless, picked up my first AI tool and set it up under 30 minutes. Generated 10 short videos using ChatGPT, and I did my editing using CapCut and Canva. Everything might be new to you, but just start it up. Day 2 and 3 is consistency. I posted consistently, posting 2 short videos daily, posting on my TikTok, on my YouTube, on my Facebook, and also I added Instagram. And here is what you might notice. Engagement might be low, but just keep posting and keep tracking it. By day 4 and 5, I've seen what's actually working and where to make some adjustments. I adjusted my format, added better caption and also better hooks, and this actually increased my views slightly, and it's a win. And when you have this win, it gives you more confidence to do. Day 6 is what I call reality check. Here, it is not all about the tool but the skill involved, and it's not all about the hypes but the consistency. Here, you are not going to start making money, but if there's an affiliate link involved, you can actually make money through those affiliate link. But if there's no affiliate link involved, by day 6, you're not going to start making money by day 6, but with that consistency and the skills that you've gathered, you actually make the money at the long run. So it is not about the hype or the consistency. It's not about the tool but the skill involved. Day 7 is where I get to check my results. I posted a total of 14 shots and the total view of 12,000. Followers gained about 156 followers. And was there an earning? I had a small earning because there was an affiliate link involved. Okay, so this experiment proved that beginners can actually succeed if they follow this method correctly. So here are some lessons I learned. AI skills are not instant money. Small daily efforts matters. 2. Tools vary. Some may fail, some may succeed, but testing is the key. 3. Beginners' mistakes are simple but costly. Don't follow hypes, but follow the process. Don't chase trends, but master the skill. 4. Proof matters more than the promises. And 5. This method is repeatable for anyone willing to act for 7 days. So I decided to put a book together on how you can actually make money using AI skill. If you want the book, comment on the chat. I'm going to send you the link to get the book. The book will teach you different AI tools that you need this 2026 and how you can actually get started and start making money using different AI tools. Make sure you comment on the chat if you need the book. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and come back for more if you like a content like this.